Session 17 Spring Data JPA Association Mapping in Implementation and SQL Joins. Delete operation in association mapping. In one-to-many association, if we delete parent object, then it not only delete parent table record, but it also deletes the associated records in child table because of cascade type dot all. In service implement class, override public string delete by person, int person id, load parent object optional, and personal person optional person op, opt equals to pr repo person repo dot find by id person id. If opt dot is present, pr repo dot delete opt dot get return person and his phone number are deleted and return person not found. Okay, else return person not found. So optional are providing methods is present and get method. So optional are packing packing the uh, packing the return value. The database table of association cannot be there in different database software. They must be there in same database software. Deleting only childs of parent in one-to-many association. Here load parent object, get associated child object of parent object, nullify parent object from child objects, then perform delete operation on child objects by nullifying parent object from child object. Code in service implement class. Override public string delete all phone numbers of a person int person id, load parent object optional person opt equals to person repo dot find by id person id. If opt dot is present, then set phone number equals to phone number childs equals to opt dot get contact details and delete all childs dot for each ph lambda expression ph dot set person null, then phone repo dot delete all childs or phone repo dot delete all in batch childs, return childs dot size plus phone number of person are deleted and return person id person id not found. Okay, else this is else part. Delete only one child of multiple childs belonging to a parent. So at the rate override at the rate transactional public string remove one phone number of a customer int register number reg number. Load customer object parent customer cust equals to cust repo dot find by id cid dot or else throw new illegal argument exception invalid id. Load phone number object child phone number ph equals to phone repo dot find by id range registration number or dot or else throw new illegal argument exception invalid registration number. Remove link with parent from child. ps dot set cust null. Delete phone number. ps dot set cust null. Delete phone number object. Phone repo dot save ph. Phone repo dot delete ph. Return ph dot get mobile number plus concatenate of for mobile number of customer is deleted. Adding new child to existing childs of a parent. In service implement class, override public void add new child to parent by id load parent object optional parent opt equals to parent repo dot find by id if opt is present parent per equals to opt dot get childs of a person set phone number childs equals to per dot get contact detail create the new child object phone number ph equals to new phone number and this is phone number this is Vodafone this is person company name this is personal type in parent entity class we must take fetch type dot agar while executing this code link child to parent ph dot set parent info per child dot add ph person repo dot save per system dot out dot println new child is added to the existing child of parent assume the requirement at table level but implement requirement through the object of the association mapping else system.out.println id person not found for operation cascade operation are related to non-select persistent operations whereas fetch operation are related to select persistence operations deleting childs and its parent override public void delete data using child load parent object optional customer opt equals to cust repo dot find by id and this is id if opt dot is present get customer object customer cust equals to opt dot get method get all childs of a parent set phone number childs equals to cust dot get phone number info delete all childs dot for each lambda expression ph phone repo dot delete ph system dot out dot println all childs and its associated is deleted else parent not found join in spring data jpa using hql jpql join are given to get data from two database table of association having some implicity condition implicit condition we can also add a new condition on the top of condition implicit conditions in SQL to work with join the two database table need not be need not be in relationship where is in HQL or JPQL. The two database table need to be and in association to apply join. Table must be there in relation association using foreign key column. HQL JPQL support four type of joins. First, inner join, right outer join, left outer join, full join or full outer join. Uncommon data and this is uncommon data. Okay, this is parent table, this is child table and this is foreign key and this is person id is foreign key. This is primary key and this is person id is foreign key. So this null uncommon data and this is 234 yjek Suresh uncommon data. Venn diagram OTM person OTM phone number. This is parent left and this is child right. So 34 yjek Suresh and this is registration number and this is mobile number. This is provider company and this is type and these are 29, and this is registration number, not registration number, this is common data. These are primary key, and this is something. Inner join gives three area content. Gives common of data both database table, left side and right side database table. B. Right join, right outer join gives 3 plus 2 area content. Gives common of data both database table, left side and right side database table. And also give uncommon data of right side database table. C. Left join, left outer join gives 1 plus 3 area content. Gives common of data both database table, left side and right side database table, and also give uncommon data of left side database table. C. D. Join, full outer join gives 1 to 3 content, gives common and uncommon data of both database table. To work with HQL JPQL joins, we need to keep database table and their entity classes in relationship using association mapping concept. HQL JPQL join query syntax: parent to child. Select parent class property, comma, child class property from parent class alias name. So this is join type: inner join, right join, left join, full join. Parent class has a property child table, right side table. This is alias name, additional condition. Parent table, left side table. MySQL database does not support full join. Oracle support all joins include full joins. Code interface iPerson repository, iPerson repo repository interface. Public interface iPerson repo extends JPA repository person integer. So @query select p dot pid, p dot pname, p dot p address, ph registration number, ph phone number, ph provider, ph type from person p inner join p content detail ph. Another query select p name, p address, p phone number, range, provider type, person right join, p contact detail. Another one query from left join p dot content detail ph. @query select PID, p name, p dot p address, ph dot range number, ph dot phone number, ph dot provider, ph dot type from person p full join p dot contact detail ph. Public list object array fetch data using joins by parent. Code in service interface, public interface iPerson manage service, public list object array fetch data by join using parent. Code in service implement class service person service, public class person management service implements iPerson management service, auto-wired private iPerson repo, person repo, PR repo, private iPhone number repo, phone number, auto-wired. Override public list object array fetch data by join using parent, return PR repo dot fetch data using join by parent. Code in runner class, component, public class, association test runner, implements command line runner, auto-wired private iPerson management service, override public void run string where args throws exception, service dot fetch data by joins using parent dot for each row lambda expression for object value colon row, system dot out print val space and one next line. Close run close class. Assignment, write the similar SQL join from child to parent. In child repository interface, query select ph.range phone ID type ph.provider ph.phone p.pid pname p address from phone number ph. Inner join ph.person p. P and ph is alias name. At the rate query select ph dot range id ph dot type ph dot provider ph dot phone p dot pid p dot pname p dot p address from phone number ph and full join ph dot person p. Public list object array so join data child to parent. In service interface public list object array fetch child to parent join data. In service implement class override public list object fetch child to parent join data. Return phone repo.show joins data child to parent. What is 1 plus n select problem and how to solve? In one to many association or in many to one association, the app generated one select query to get all main records and n select query to get associated records of n parent getting their many SQL query fall under 1 plus n select problem. We can solve this problem using SQL joins which generates only one select query SQL query to get main record and the associated child record. In runner class, person service.fetch child to parent join data dot for each row lambda expression system.out.println array.toString print row. Improve example app one to many bidirectional association. This is project structure, file structure. This is entity class parent package com.entity import set cascade type column entity fetch type generated value generation type id join column one to many sequence query generator table setter getter. Here no need to write data, write setter getter. At the table name jpa otm by bi department. At the setter at the getter annotation at the entity public class department sequence generator name gen1 sequence name dno sequence initial value 1 allocation size 1 at the rate generated value strategy generation type dot sequence and generator equals to gen1 at the rate id private integer dno private string dname column length 30 and private string location column length 30. For one to many association, collection of has a child properties at the rate one to many target entity equals to employee dot class. Target entity equals to employee dot class. Cascade equals to cascade type dot all. Cascade equals to cascade type dot all. OP ORP and PHN removal equals to true. ORPHAN removal equals to true. Fetch equals to fetch type dot agar mapping by department. Private set employee emp. Another one at the join column name equals to department number reference column name dno. Public department constructor. This is constructor. System.out.println one message get class. Okay. Override public string to string return department number and this is all data. Coming to child class, child entity, child entity, package com.entity, cascade type, column entity, fetch type, generated value, generation type, id, join columns, many to one, table, setter, getter. So at the rate entity, table, jpotm by employee, setter, getter, public class, employee id, generate value, private int e, integer, emp number, column length 30, private string name, and private string e address, length 30. Build many to one association has a property. So at the rate many to one, target entity department dot class, cascade equals to cascade type dot all, fetch equals to fetch type dot agar, at the rate join column, here needed, at the rate join column, name, department number, reference column name, dno, private department depart, public constructor, then this is one message get class, and one two string method, public string two string, return employee and data, employee id. So this is service interface having string, public interface I company management service, public string registration department dipped, parent to child saving, public string register employee set employee emp, child to parent saving, public list department show all department and its employee, parent to child loading, public list employee show all employee and its department, child to parent loading, public string remove department and its employees, its int dno, public string remove employee and their department, list integer employee id, employee IDs, public string new add new employee to department, int dno employee emp, public string remove all employee of a department in int dno, public string remove one employee of a department, int dno, int emp number, service implement class, package, and this is at the rate service annotation company service, public class company management service, implement I company management service, or auto wired private I department repository depart repo, auto wired private I employee repository emp repo, public override public string registration department dipped, save the parent and its child object, int id value equals to department report dot save department dot get dno, return department and the associated employee are saved with the id value, and this is id value. Another one, at the rate override public string register employee, set employee emp, save the child along with its parent, list employee, saved child equals to employee register, sorry, employee report dot save all employees, emps, list employee, save list equals to emp report dot save all employees, capture only id from the save list, list integer ids equals to save list dot stream dot map employee colon get emp number dot collect collector to list, return employee and the associated department are saved with the id value, and this is id. Override public list department show all department and its employee, load parent object list department object depart list equals to deep report dot find all, return depart list. Override public list employee show all employee and its department, load child object list employee equals to emp report dot find all, return list employee. Override public string remove department and its employee, int dno. Load parent and its associated child object. Optional department opt equals to depart report dot find by id dno. If opt is dot is present, department dpt equals to opt dot get. Depart report dot delete depart. Return department and its employee are deleted. Else return department is not found. Public string remove employee and their department list integer employee IDs. Load the childs by IDs. List employees. List child equals to emp report dot find all by IDs. IDs employee IDs. If list childs not equal to null and list child dot size not equal to 0, then emp report dot delete all list childs and return given employee and their department delete. Else return give employee are not founded. Another one, public string add new employee to department int dno employee emp object. Load department optional department opt equals to depart report dot find by dno. If opt dot is present, get department parent. Department dip equals to opt dot get method and get collection of childs. Set employee set set sets emp set equals to depart dot get employee. Set parent to child new child emp dot set depart. Add new child to parent emp set dot add emp save the parent depart report dot save depart. Return new employee is added to existing department, else department is not found. Another one class, remove all employee of a department int dno. Load department optional department opt equals to depart report dot find by id dno. If opt dot is present, get department parent. Department dipt equals to opt dot get all child's employees of parent. Set employees emp set equals to e depart dot get employees. Nully depart from child's employees. For employee emp colon emp sets emp dot set depart null. Else okay, after that else yes else emp report dot delete all in batch emp set. Return all employees of the given department are deleted. Okay, else return department is not found. Okay, after for loop, for each loop, then delete only child and then else department is not found. Okay, so another, remove one employee of a department int dno int eno. Load parent optional department opt equals to depart report dot find by dno. Load child optional e employee opt1 equals to amp repo dot find by id eno. If opt dot is parent present is parent present and opt1 dot is present, then get child employee emp equals to opt dot get and get department parent. Department dpt equals to dpt dot get. Remove the link with parent from child. Emp dot set depart null. Remove the child. Emp report dot delete all by all in batch list of emp. Return one employee from department is deleted, else given department or given employee is not found. In runner class, so import all things at the component public class OTM BIDI association test runner implementation implements command line runner auto-void public I company management service service override public void run string where args throw exception try. Okay, this is one comment, but try parent object depart dip equals to new department dip dot set dname cells dip dot set location Hyderabad child object example emp equals to new example emp1 dot set ename raja1 emp dot set address Hyderabad. Another employee emp2 equals to new employee emp2 set ename rajesh1 emp2 set address yz. Assign parent to child emp1 dot set department emp2 dot set department. Assign child to parent department dot set emps set of emp1 emp2. Invoke service method string message equals to comp service dot register department system dot println message print message try catch exception e dot print stack trace. Another one, try parent object depart equals to new department depart dot set dname it depart dot set location Hyderabad child object employee emp1 equals to new employee emp1 dot set ename Karan emp1 dot set address Hyderabad and employee emp2 equals to new employee emp2 dot set ename Chinna emp2 dot set address yz. Assign parent to child emp1 dot set depart emp2 dot set depart. Assign child to parent set employee emp set equals to new has set employee emp set and add emp1 emp set dot add emp2 depart dot set emp set. Invoke service method string message equals to com service dot register employee emp set system dot println message catch exception dot print star. Try invoke the method list department list depart list equals to comp service dot show all departments and its employee. So depart list dot for each depart lambda expression system dot println depart parent concatenate depart set employee child equals to depart dot get employee if child not equal to null child dot for each emp system dot println employee child emp system dot print one line catch exception e dot print stack trace. Try invoke service method list employee list emp equals to comp service dot show all employees and its department list emps for each emp lambda expression system dot println employee child emp get depart of employee depart depart department depart equals to emp dot get depart system dot println department parent dipt system dot one line and this is catch exception e dot print stack trace. Try string message comp service dot remove department and its employees one system dot println message catch exception e. Another one string message equals to com service dot remove employee and their department list dot of 102 103 system dot println message exception e dot print stack trace. Try employee emp equals to new employee emp1 dot set ename Mahesh emp1 dot set address Hyderabad string message equals to comp service dot add new employee to department 2 comma emp1 and print one message catch exception e dot print stack trace. Try string message equals to com service dot remove all employees of a department due to system dot println message catch exception e dot print stack trace. Another try string message equals to com service dot remove one employee of add department 2 and 102 system.out.println message printing catch exception e dot print stack trace. So this is all about association mapping implementation and HQL joins related note.